Once you are signed into Google Classroom, at the top right, there's a plus sign. Click on that and it'll allow you to create or join a class. So let's create our class. Whatever you type here will be visible to the students. So for elementary school, you would most likely put your name. For middle and high school, you would put the period and then your subject or your class section. Your students will be able to view these information as well. Once you put in your info, go ahead, click on create. It will take you to the page of your class. Let's go back to your home page by clicking on the bar at the top left. We'll click on classes and now you're back at your home page. So what you see right here is also what your students will see as well. So there you have it, your first class. Every day when you log into Google Classroom, this is the first page that you will see. Let's go into your class. To get students to sign up for your class, you have this class code here. If you were displaying this in class, you would click on this box and it will show this big display so your students can type it into their laptop and join your class. Otherwise, you can copy this code, share it with your students via email. So now I'm using a student account to show you what the students go through. We'll click on the plus sign. We're going to join the class that's just been created. So my teacher gave me the code. I'll put that code in and then I'll join the class. So this is the student's point of view. Notice here they only see your name. At the top bar, they can only see the 3 tabs. And when the students goes back to their homepage, this is the only thing they'll see is your information, and that's pretty much it. As compared to your tab has more privilege. You see the number of students. So if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below and then I'll try to answer as many questions as I could. Thanks. See you next time.